Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 68 Charger. This comes from Rich in Burlingame, California. Rich has requested the internal FM conversion with the Bluetooth feature and also my master input-output box that has your 4-channel preamp outputs, left, right, front, and rear, subwoofer output, and then this will be your aux input. And so I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get. Let's run it through its paces.
In an auto accident, even a fender bender can cause hidden injuries that will affect you for a long time.
Balance right.
Care can
Balance
restore
left.
proper position and
Right.
motion to the neck and spine.
Left.
I'm Dr. Veronica Hudson. If you're in an accident, please call
Okay.
Prescott Valley Distant Spine
Don't need
Center.
these
If
anymore.
caught early
Let's switch to
enough,
FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. Just make sure we can tune in some FM stations here.
Más de agradecer la declaración de su esposa que le diga
in the country, we've collected having so much fun. I didn't what sells a
Venture, Loss, Quantumania, and you're 65 or older.
We'd be down the ride. I'd be down.
Let's let you mix and match some of our
Still under investigation.
medium strawberry lemonade with
And wellness fair is happening.
Alrighty. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, you heard that. Let's try the 8-track. Ready. Pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on. And it does, so she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to do probably the last video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio pairing. You just seen what I can do to an old AM radio. I can add FM, Bluetooth, even USB and HD, depending on what features you like, where you live, and how much you want to spend. For service, please visit my website that's in the description below. And before calling me with questions, please download and print a work order, because that will have all my options and prices, including options for turn times. That's what it's made for, to keep me off the phone and on the bench where I'm doing the actual work. So thanks so much for watching, listening, guys. Thank you, Rich, for your business from Burlingame, California, and we'll see you next time.